heat wave across India isn't a warning enough for the urgent need to change the way we build and live, then what else can be? Can we construct and build more responsibly? Yes, we can, and every little bit matters. So today we put the spotlight on Strawcture Eco, a company that is making far more sustainable, healthier biopanels from agri waste or residue. Now, these are alternatives to wood planks and plywood that you get or buy in the market. Shriti Pandey, the mind behind this sustainable company, joins us to tell us how she's going about manufacturing these. Shriti, can you tell us about the manufacturing process? What are the steps that you use to convert this agri-bio waste into these biopanels?
So at Strawcture, we make agri-biopanels by first collecting the straw from the source, which is farmers within 20-kilometer radius of the factory. The second step is we bring all the straw collected from different farms at the same moisture content, cut them to the same size, remove any impurities that are there. And third, we mix the straw with a binding resin, which is a non-formaldehyde resin, so it's less toxic. And finally, heat and pressure is applied to compress that straw and resin together to make high-density engineered agri-biopanels.
What sort of waste do the farmers give in or do you collect, and are they happy collaborating with you?
The farmers are well aware what happens to the raw material at the factory and are happy to give it to us. So for the last 3 years, we've been sourcing more than around 100 metric ton of straw weekly from the farmers in each of these locations, where they are paid for the fiber as well as given support to collect it. So the farmers are more than happy to provide their raw material, which essentially is right now waste.
Shriti, can you tell us how different or similar are these engineered biopanels in terms of density and usability to regular plywood panels that you get?
So what we do differently at Strawcture is that we have a range of density starting from 700 to 900 kg per cubic meter. So we meet the MDF density as well as a plywood range for all sort of applications. Secondly, our product has better fire resistance performance because of the presence of silica inherently in the straw. And thirdly, because straw is a natural fiber, it offers much better thermal and sound insulation in an interior of a building when used.
And where are your agri-biopanels currently being used? In commercial buildings, or are you retailing to homes as well?
So most of our end customers are commercial buildings such as hospitals, educational institutes, hotels, and commercial offices. In Tier 1 cities right now, mostly in Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, where it is used for partitions, dryer, ceilings, acoustics, furniture applications.
What about the price? Are they more expensive than the plywood you get in the market?
So our 18 mm, which is a standard thickness of panel in the market, our panels are competitive to a commercial grade branded plywood that is there in the market. We are cost effective, 10 to 12% to the brands that are there manufacturing ply.
Thank you, Shriti, for joining us and taking us through that initiative of yours. And of course, everybody who's watching, if you've got a commercial building, then you have a possibility of switching to more sustainable plywood. That's all from us. Keep watching The Property Show with the latest news and discussions on real estate and sustainability. Goodbye.